2002. Today we're going to be interviewing Harold Lichtenberg. A little bit of a life sketch today. Dad, this is the interviewer is Alan Lichtenberg, and I wanted to get started today at the beginning. When and where were you born, and tell me about your family.
Okay, I was born in Detroit, Michigan, at the Grace Hospital, which is in Detroit. I was the second son of Charlotte Crix Lichtenberg and Bernhard Friedrich Lichtenberg, and I was born in 1937 on September the 13th. What do you want to know about my personal history?
Well, talk to me about your childhood experiences, the ones that you remember first, things that are memorable.
I was raised in Detroit at an address called 8066 Frida. We were about 6 houses in from the dividing line of Detroit and Dearborn, and at the time there were no schools in the Detroit area, so I ended up going to Dearborn schools for the kindergarten, first, second, and third grade. And then we finally got a school in Detroit, which was Clara Barton, and we all transferred, all the people that were in Detroit transferred over to Clara Barton School. Early memories, I don't know, I guess the earliest memory that really impacted me was when I found Grandma Crix at room temperature in her bed, and I went and reported that to my mother, and she had died in the night. She had some kind of cancer. I think she had liver cancer, and she died. And the best part about that was I spent the day with Mrs. Chamberlain, a lady across the street who had a couple of older sons, and she made chocolate chip cookies, and that's really what I remember, was the great chocolate chip cookies. Heck of a memory for when your grandma dies, right?
Yeah, that is a heck